let's play with maths now. Let me give you some addition tricks which will make your calculation fast. Yeah. So after knowing these tricks, you'll be able to add in your brain, in your mind. So let's check it out. So how to add these numbers which has zeros in it? For this, what you'll do, you'll just add first digits and you'll skip 0. So you all know that 4 plus 3 is 7, so it's going to be 70. 5 plus 6 is 11, it's going to be 110. 8 plus 7 is going to be 15, so it is 150. 8 plus 5 is 13, so it's going to be 130. So, did I take some time? No. So you'll have to practice this way, right? Now you know that what we did here, we just added the first digits at tens place and we skipped zeros. What about if we don't have 0 at ones place? So for that, again, what we are going to do is, we can write it as 40 plus 8, right? This is nothing but 40 plus 8. We know 40 plus 30 is 70. So this is going to be 78. Yeah. We'll add 8 to that. Now again, what is this? This is 50 plus 6. So we know that 50 plus 60 is 110. 110 plus 6 is 116. Now that's nothing but 80 plus 8. So we know that 80 plus 70 is 150. 150 plus 8 is going to be 158. Yeah. Now, this is 50 plus 9. So, 50 plus 80 is 130. 130 plus 9 is 139. So, how much time did I take to solve this? So, I did it in seconds, right? You can also do it in seconds. How? All you got to do is practice. You'll have to practice this way, right? Now let's check another one. So you might get these sort of questions in your Olympiads or in your exam. So it doesn't matter if you are studying in school or you are preparing for your competitive exams. These sort of questions are asked in numerical aptitude everywhere, right? In your Olympiads, in your competitive exams. So what you got to do is, you need to know the gap from 100. So you know that 30 plus 70 is 100, right? 60 plus 40 is 100. 50 plus 50 is 100. 70 plus 30 is 100, right? So all of you got to know the gap from 100. So we have the gap of 30 here, right? Now, what if we have questions like this? So this is again easy. We'll use the same trick. It's nothing but it's 30 plus 3, right? So we know that 30 plus 70 is 100. So it's 33. So it's going to be 67, right? So 70 minus 3. We'll do 70 minus 3 here, right? Now it's 66. We added 6 to 60. It's 60 plus 6. So 60 plus 40 is 100. So what is 40 minus 6? 40 minus 6 is 34, right? Now we know that 50 plus 50 is 100. So here we have added 4. So what we will do? 50 minus 4. So what's 50 minus 4? That's going to be 46, right? Now we know that 70 plus 30 is 100. So here we have added 4 to 70. So what we will do? We will subtract 4 from here. So 30 minus 4 is going to be 26. So 74 plus 26 is 100, right? So see, we are doing it in seconds. Let's see another one. So here sometimes you need to know the gap from 50, right? So in this sort of question where it has been asked what should be added to this number to get 50. So in this sort of question, if we have one number in 20s, So always remember the other number will also be in 20s only. Okay. So here we have all the number in 20s. So here also we will get all the number in 20s. Okay. So here 4 plus 6 is 10. So we'll just add the last two digits. Okay. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. And then 7 plus 3 is 10. So here, see, we found it in seconds, right? So always remember, this is the trick. If you have this sort of question where the sum is 50 and you have one number in 20s, let's say you have 22, so other number would also be in 20s. You just need to see what should I add to 2 to make it 10. Okay, so 8 plus 2 is 10. So the sum of these two numbers would be 50, right? Easy. Just except if you have 20, then you know 20 plus 30 is 50. So only when you have 20 you will get 30 here. Otherwise from 21 onwards you can use this trick. Okay, so 21, and here also you'll get the number in 20s, right? So 1 plus 9 is 50, right? 29 again. 29 again you'll get another number in 20s. So 21, 29, 9 plus 1 is 10, right? So 21 plus 29 makes 50. So hope it's clear now. Let's go to the next one. So let's do bigger numbers now. Here I've written some bigger numbers with 90. So here you'll see in all the questions we have 90s. In competitive exam, often been observed that we need to add the numbers with 90. So whenever we need to add the numbers with 90, so what we will do, will again use a trick. What is 90? It's 100 minus 10. Right? What is 90? It's 100 minus 10. So what we will do, we'll add 100 to this number. 325 plus 100 is 425, and then we'll subtract 10 from it. It will become 450, right? So it's nothing but 100 minus 10 again. So wherever it's 90, what we are doing? We are taking it as 100 minus 10, right? So 576 plus 100 is 676 minus 10. So it's going to be 666. 642 plus 100 is 742 minus 10. So it's going to be 732. 976 plus 100 is 1076 minus 10. So that's going to be 1066, right? So easy. So see, we are adding in seconds, right? We are adding in seconds. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And please tell me in comment section, how did you like this video? If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Part 2 of this video will be uploaded soon. So stay tuned. Thank you.